I was expecting the usual champorado, but when I took that first bite, oh my goodness, it was so good because the peanut flavor gave it a different vibe. Hindi siya nakakaumay, and it really is a wonderful product. Humbled and honored to accept the technology for champorado. We will highlight and feature it in our pasalubong centers, especially in the new Baybayog Dapon Farmers Market. And the dream is for champorado to find its way in the different groceries and sari-sari stores.
Yeah, come on.
Thank you for passing on the ball to us. Si Kaminenten. We will push for this. Thank you so much for your belief in us. Thank you so much for the inspiration. Maraming salamat.